Soleil is a wonderful active adult community in Canton, Georgia from Patrick Malloy, and I am here with Patty. And Patty, it is great to see you again, and I understand you have some exciting news that you're opening up another phase.
I do, Greer. It's amazing. So we are opening up about 30 lots in Area 2B, which is the Northwood section. Beautiful home sites, slab home sites, basement home sites, and they're going quick. So we're just excited with all the success.
Well, that's wonderful. I know you've had a lot of success here at Soleil, and there's also a few of spec homes that are ready to go. Is that right? So tell us about those.
Absolutely. We have 8 spec homes, can close in about 4 to 6 months. So those are ready to go for somebody who doesn't want to wait to actually build a home. And so they can come see us and we'll write it up.
Well, I love that there are so many options here. And you know, one of the things that we have to talk about are the amenities that are coming. So it's going to be a wonderful lifestyle here. Talk a little bit about all the things that there will be to do.
Well, it's an incredible resort level amenity that we'll have here. It's about a 5-acre amenity, 10,000 square foot. Just a lot of things for them to do inside, and then outside we'll have a pool, pickleball, tennis courts, fire pit, and community garden.
Wow, that is amazing. And tell us a little bit about the homes. You know, you've mentioned that a lot of them, you know, they're all ranch homes, but what are some of the features that you'll find inside?
Well, what is so incredible about an active adult community that Patrick does is all of our ranches are stepless. So you don't have a step coming from that front door or to your garage or into the master shower. So this is truly living one floor, age in place, and it's just convenient for everyone. We have, for our pre-sale buyers, we have $20,000 in Design Center credit where they can use our Design Center appointment. And also our Design Centers are located right here on site. So they come here and pick everything out. And then we have $5,000 towards their closing cost with one of our preferred lenders.
And if there are some buyers out there that might be interested in learning more, what's the best way to do that, Patty?
Well, you can find our floor plans on soleilbelmontpark.com, or they can call us directly at 678-300-9447, and they can reach out Patty at soleilbelmontpark.com.
Okay, well, Patty, it is always wonderful to see you, and you do not want to miss out on this wonderful active adult community in Canton, Soleil by Patrick Malloy.